Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is kind of like a different look for me. I apologise for the bald head, like my hair seriously needs sorting out and it just wasn't cooperating, so it's been shoved up. So apologies for like the moon head just chilling on your screen. But yeah, normally I would have it down, but yeah, whatever. We're powering on for the sake of YouTube. But anyway, today's video is another makeup tutorial on this look right here. It's like a full cut crease with some glitter on the lid and some glitter eyeliner too. So yeah, that is today's video and I hope you guys enjoy. If you do enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment down below and please click the subscribe button. And without further ado, we will get into the video. So the palette I'm going to use for today's tutorial is the Morphe 35C palette. I use pretty like basic colours from this palette, like even though it's like super colourful, I defo don't use them colours. You can do this look with other palettes. I just thought I would use this one because it's been a while. So I'm going to go into the yellow shade in the palette. I've kind of ruined mine because I got it wet. Don't get these shadows wet, but it still applies the same, but I've just got like a weird crust on it, but oh well. Right, so yeah, I'm gonna go into that yellow shade, tap it off, and I'm just gonna run this through the crease. So I'm going to keep going back in with that yellow shade like throughout the look. Like every time I have a fluffy brush, I'm going back in with that yellow one so that we don't ever lose that. And it's even if it's just poking through like a little bit at the end, like I don't want to lose it, so yeah. And now for the next shade, I'm going to go in with that bright orange one. And I'm just going to take this shade and I'm just going to run it in the same sort of area, but just like a little bit lower. And I'm going to go back in with the yellow so I never lose that colour. That colour reminds me of like a Solero ice cream. I'm then going to go in with the next shade in, so almost like a peachy kind of colour. And I'm going to basically just do the same thing until I'm like happy with like what it looks like, because I'm just trying to like deepen it up for now. And then just add in where it needs be, because that orange isn't like super pigmented, so this peachy shade is actually like really nice for like deepening up the crease. I've literally got cat hair on my face. That's nice. Does anyone have like an eye that like always goes better than the other one? Like, I don't know if you've realised, but I always do my makeup on camera on this eye because this eye is just like hates me. Right, I'm then going to take the red shade from that palette. Again, just doing the same thing, but I do want every colour we go in with to sort of peek through just a little bit. I don't want it to just be one flat colour all blended into each other. So it's basically what I'm doing until I am relatively happy with it. Maybe I should start doing this eye first. And then if this eye looks awful, like who even cares? I can just be like, sorry, I only do one eye. Then I'm going to start making it a little bit darker. So I'm going to take some of these browns. I'm going to take like that one. And then I'm going to take like the darker ones in the palette. I don't even know how well you can see these. But yeah, I'm basically just going to take like a combo of some of the browns. Just to start like deepening up. And this is going to be like our lowest shade. Okay, I'm then going to start cutting this crease, and I'm just going to, as usual, just take some concealer on the back of my hand, like so. This is what I do, and then just start cutting out the crease. And then when I get to like this outer bit here, I always do like a little bit of a flick. I just do this because I think it just looks nicer. There's nothing more to it. I think this is like the highest cut crease I've ever done in my life. Okay, so I almost never use the whole blob of concealer on my hand, but this time I did. So it's a very high cut crease today. And then I'm gonna go back into that Morphe palette and just take the white shade and use this to set down that concealer. I'm then going to take the gel eyeliner by Collection 2000. This is in the shade 3 Funk. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to apply it in the centre part of where we cut that crease, more concentrated at the top, and then I'm going to sort of filter it down towards my lash line. Does that make sense? Absolutely not. But it's probably, again, better for me to show you what I'm going to do than tell you. But basically it's just going to be like thicker here, and then it's slowly going to get like less glittery in like an upside down triangle shape. So as you can see, I've just drawn like a line just straight on, because this is where I want the glitter to be like the most pigmented, if that makes sense, and less like sparse. And then I'm gonna just start like dabbing it. Sounds a bit stupid, but like it works quite nicely. I kind of did it by accident. But yeah, I'm just gonna start dabbing it down in like an upside down triangle, and just use my finger to like make it sort of less pigmented. Just like that. And I hope that was clear on camera and made somewhat of some sense. Unlike me, who can't even put a sentence together. I don't even know what I meant to say then. Right, I'm then going to go in with the NYX Glam liner. This one is the shade 24 Karat, I think. And I'm just going to line where we cut the crease. This look I just think is like really pretty and stuff, so I just feel like eyeliner might ruin it, because it is quite like delicate colours, and like with the glitter and the glam and stuff, I feel like black eyeliner would just ruin it. So let's go with some lashes. I'm just going to apply some mascara, and then I'm just going to apply the EYLURE Most Wanted I Love This eyelashes. Okay, so I did just glue them lashes on. I tried to get them as close as I could to the lower lash line, but I did just add a little bit of eyeliner in the corners and the inner corner, in the corners, because, you know, just to make it look cohesive and, you know, all that. So yeah, that is my eyes for now done. I'm just going to do my face, and then I'll be back to do the lower lash line, because I'm not sure what to do for the lower lash line. So I'm going to do my face and have a think about it, and I'll see you in 2 seconds. Okay, so for my... Oh, I keep getting my hair stuck on this stupid sequin thing. Right, for the lower lash line, I'm going to go a little bit different to the top, I think. I hope I make the right decision. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with this red shade that we took on the top, and I'm just going to run that along the lower lash line. I'm then going to take some of these two orange shades, the orangey one and like the peachier one, and just also run them down the lower lash line. Oh my god, I don't know what is going on with the sequin thing. It's doing my head in.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost.
I'm just gonna apply some mascara. I'm just gonna leave it there because I don't want to take it too far. Like, I don't know if you guys agree. Right, so sometimes this mascara is amazing and sometimes it's the worst thing ever. Like, make your mind up. She was Nancy Mulligan. Okay, so this lip is a little bit dark. I wanted to go for one a little bit lighter, but I haven't got anything on me that will kind of go except for a nude, and I don't really want to go for a nude, so I just put this one on. And yeah, this is the finished look. Ah! So this is the finished look, as you can see. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below what you thought. So yeah, thanks once again for watching. I do appreciate it very, very much because it does help out my channel, and you know, times are tough. So thank you so, so much, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks guys, bye.